about if you don't want to or you can't use a physical object to tie your spell to? This is great for closeted witches. So if you've ever had an imaginary friend, I said earlier, you've created an energy construct. We would call it a fetch because it's an entity that has some autonomy. If you've ever had an imaginary princess crown or an imaginary laser gun or magic sword, then you've created an energy construct. If in your mind you tied that to a stick, then you know about how to tie it to a physical object. But as any kid knows, if you don't have a stick, then just an energy magic sword that you're imagining will do just fine. Taking that ball of energy and telling it that it is, for example, a magic sword, it will believe you. Now that depends on the strength of your personal willpower, but if you're playing with others, you can create what's called a thought form in my tradition. And there's a lot of fancy definitions we can get into, but basically a thought form is an energy construct that a lot of people believe in. That's the easy way for me to think of it. If you play online multiplayer games, you know how this works. Even though the Ragnarok map in Ark doesn't physically exist, you know right where the Wyvern Scar is and you can find it.